Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the easiest ways to handle your money transfers. Today, we're tackling something super relevant: sending money from Canada to Jamaica using Remitly in 2025. If you've got family in Jamaica or need to send funds quickly and securely, this guide is for you. Remitly is a top-rated app that's user-friendly, offers competitive exchange rates, and gets your money there fast, often in minutes. First off, why choose Remitly? In 2025, it's all about speed, low fees, and reliability. With rising costs of living, you want a service that maximizes what your Canadian dollars can do. Remitly stands out with real-time exchange rates and options for bank deposits or cash pickups in Jamaica. Plus, it's secure with advanced encryption to protect your info. Let's walk through the steps. Start by downloading the Remitly app from your phone's app store or visiting their website. Once you're in, sign up with your email, phone number, and create a secure password. You'll need to verify your identity. Think uploading ID and linking your Canadian bank account or debit card. This only takes a few minutes. Next, select Send Money and choose Jamaica as the destination. Enter the amount you want to send in Canadian dollars, and Remitly will show you the conversion to Jamaican dollars, including any fees. Pro tip: check for promotional rates or lock in the best exchange rate before confirming. Then, add your recipient's details, like their name, bank account, or pickup location. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Hit send, and you're done. Your money could arrive in as little as 10 minutes for express transfers, though standard options might take a day or two. Keep an eye on fees. They're usually around 1 to 3% depending on the amount and speed you choose. In 2025, Remitly might even offer cashback or rewards for frequent users. Before we wrap up, remember to monitor exchange rates, as they fluctuate. Always use a secure network when making transfers. If you run into any issues, Remitly's customer support is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.